Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain about a project titled Monthly Rainfall Prediction using Wavelet Neural Network Analysis. Accurate forecasting of rainfall is of utmost importance in sectors such as agriculture, water resource management, and disaster preparedness. Traditional approaches often rely on statistical analysis or satellite datasets, which may not effectively capture up-to-date information about prevailing conditions. In recent times, the integration of wavelet analysis and neural networks has emerged as a promising technique for enhancing the rainfall prediction. This research investigates the application of wavelet neural network analysis to predict the monthly rainfall. By leveraging the strength of wavelet signal dataset that encompass the present condition information, the WNN algorithm aims to improve the precision and dependability of monthly rainfall predictions. The outcome of this study hold on significant value for decision makers and stakeholders across various sectors by providing the valuable insights. The aim of this project is to create a wavelet neural network model that can predict monthly rainfall with high accuracy. The WNN algorithm will leverage the wavelet signal dataset, allowing it to incorporate up-to-date information about prevailing condition, which approach is expected to surpass the performance of existing algorithms that rely solely on plain satellite datasets, leading to improved accuracy in rainfall predictions. These are the basic requirements that are needed to build this project. Hardware requirements are operating system as Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4GB and above, hard disk of 20GB and above. Software requirement Python IDE with version of 3.7. These are the modules that are developed to build this project. The first module is Upload Wavelet Dataset. In this module, the wavelet signal dataset is obtained or collected. The specifics of the dataset, such as its source, size, and format, is mentioned with this module. And the second module is of Pre-processed Dataset. The Pre-processed Dataset module involves preparing the wavelet dataset for the training MLP neural networks. Pre-processing steps include data cleaning, normalization, feature extraction, and partitioning the dataset into training and testing set. And the third module is Build the MLP neural network model. This module focuses on constructing the architecture of the MLP neural network. The details regarding of number of layers, activation functions, and network hyperparameters are used. However, MLP is a type of feed-forward neural network that consists of multiple layers, including an input layer and one or more hidden layers and an output layer. And the fourth module or the final module is Rainfall Prediction for 30 days. In this module, the MLP neural network model is trained, which can be utilized to predict the rainfall for a specific period. In this case, we are using for the 30 days. The execution of the project. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. This is the code folder consisting of different files. The first folder is dataset folder consisting of the wavelet dataset, and the main and test are the Python files, and this is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in the command line interface, we created the Windows bat file to execute the project. Now to run the project, double click on run.bat file. And this is the graphical user interface. With this, we are interacting with the program. First, we need to click on Upload Wavelet Dataset. By this button, we are going to import the dataset from this corresponding dataset folder. And here I am selecting the wavelet dataset and click on Open button. And here we get an graph. Here the x-axis represents the year and the y-axis represents the rainfall occurred in that year, and we can close this rainfall graph. And here we can see that dataset is loaded with of date, fraction, and the rainfall. And then click on Pre-processed Dataset button. Here The total dataset consisting of records of 3226 and the application using of 2903 records that of 80% of the training and 323 records of 20% of dataset for the testing the application, which is used for the MLP prediction performance, and then by calculate the root mean square error, which represents the difference between the actual and predicted values. And then click on Build MLP Neural Network Model. Here, the WNN model is generated with an RMSE, that is of root mean square error width of 28.9. And then click on Rainfall Prediction for 30 days. Here, in this graph, x-axis represents the days and the y-axis represents the rainfall. And in this graph, blue line represents the actual rainfall from the test data and the green line represents the predicted rainfall. And in this graph, we can see the difference between two lines are of closed. So we can conclude that prediction is of accurate one. And then close this graph. Finally, in conclusion, the use of Wavelet neural network algorithm for monthly rainfall prediction has shown promising results. By incorporating the Wavelet signal dataset, which contains the present condition information, the WNN model outperformed the existing algorithm that rely on plain satellite dataset. The combination of Wavelet analysis and neural network in WNN algorithm offers an effective approach for accurate rainfall prediction. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.